Zero Carb, Zero Sugar Foods, your ultimate guide. If you've ever struggled to navigate the grocery store aisles looking for foods that truly fit your low-carb lifestyle, you're not alone. In this video, I'll break down the ultimate list of zero-carb and zero-sugar foods, and even throw in a few options with very little carbs but still no sugar. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about the building blocks of any good diet, especially when you're cutting carbs and sugar protein. Protein helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and cravings, plus it's essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism, which is key for weight management. So let's dive into the specifics and explore the delicious world of protein that fits perfectly into a low-carb, sugar-free lifestyle. First up, let's talk about meat. We're talking about the good stuff, the unprocessed, natural cuts that are packed with flavor and nutrients without any of the unnecessary carbs or sugar. When you're scanning the meat aisle, keep an eye out for beef, the real MVP of the zero-carb world. Juicy ribeye steaks, flavorful sirloin tips, classic ground beef, and even the rich, savory goodness of brisket. And don't forget about lamb. Lamb chops bring a delicate, slightly sweet flavor to the table. Venison, bison, and elk are not only carb-free and sugar-free, but they're also leaner than most conventional meats and packed with essential nutrients. Now let's fly over to the poultry section where you'll find some amazing zero-carb, zero-sugar options. Chicken, the ultimate crowd pleaser, is a must-have on your list. Go for those juicy, flavorful chicken thighs or drumsticks if you're looking for a good balance of protein and healthy fats. If you prefer something leaner, turkey breast and ground turkey are fantastic choices. Speaking of flavor, let's talk duck. It's completely carb-free and sugar-free. And the fat in duck meat, especially the skin, is where the real magic happens. It's rich, it's flavorful, and it adds a whole other dimension to your dishes. Chapter 4. Seafood. Let's dive into the deep blue world of seafood, another fantastic source of protein that aligns perfectly with your zero-carb, zero-sugar goals. The ocean offers a bounty of delicious options that are not only nutritious but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Fish is a no-brainer when it comes to healthy eating, and the variety available is simply astounding. Whether you're a fan of mild white fish or prefer the richer flavors of oily fish, there's something for everyone. From the delicate, flaky texture of salmon to the meaty goodness of tuna, there's a fish out there for every palate. Salmon, with its rich, buttery flavor, is a favorite for many, while tuna offers a robust taste that's perfect for grilling or searing. Salmon, packed with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, is always a winner. It's not just delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your cardiovascular health. Tuna, whether you prefer it fresh or canned, is a great source of lean protein. It's versatile enough to be used in salads, sandwiches, or even as a main course. Don't forget about trout, mackerel, cod, and halibut. Each of these fish brings its own unique flavor and texture to the table, making your meals both exciting and nutritious. And if you're looking for even more omega-3s, mackerel is your go-to. This oily fish is not only tasty, but also incredibly good for your brain and heart health. Shrimp, crab, lobster, and scallops are all naturally carb-free and sugar-free, making them perfect for a delicious and guilt-free indulgence. These shellfish are not only rich in protein but also offer a luxurious dining experience. For those who like to venture beyond the familiar, let's talk about squid and octopus. These cephalopods are not only intriguing but also incredibly nutritious. They're lean, packed with protein, and can be prepared in countless ways. Whether you enjoy them grilled, fried, or in a salad, squid and octopus add a unique twist to your seafood repertoire. So, next time you're at the seafood market, don't hesitate to explore these fascinating options. Chapter 5. Eggs. These nutritional powerhouses are completely free of carbs and sugar, making them a staple in a low-carb, sugar-free lifestyle. What's not to love about eggs? They're versatile, affordable, and incredibly easy to cook. Plus, eggs are packed with essential nutrients like choline, which is crucial for brain health, and lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. One whole egg provides about 6 grams of high-quality protein, making them an excellent choice for any meal. If you're looking for an even leaner option, egg whites are your go-to. Chapter 6. Pure fat sources with zero carbs and zero sugar. Healthy fats provide sustained energy, keeping you satisfied and fuller for longer, which is especially important when you're cutting carbs. They also play a crucial role in hormone production, nutrient absorption, and even cell signaling. And let's not forget about flavor. Fats add richness, depth, and that melt-in-your-mouth goodness to your meals. So, embrace healthy fats as an integral part of your low-carb, sugar-free journey. Chapter 7, Fats and Oils. In this chapter we will explore the essential fats and oils that form the backbone of countless recipes and culinary traditions. Let's start with the foundation of many delicious meals, pure fats and oils. These ingredients not only add flavor, but also play a crucial role in cooking techniques and nutritional value. First up, we have butter, a culinary classic. Butter is beloved for its rich, creamy texture and its ability to enhance the taste of both sweet and savory dishes. Opt for grass-fed butter whenever possible. Grass-fed butter is not only more flavorful, but also contains higher levels of beneficial nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins A and K2. Next we have ghee, a staple in Indian cuisine and a favorite among those following a low-carb or dairy-free lifestyle. Ghee is clarified butter, which means the milk solids have been removed, making it suitable for those with lactose intolerance. Moving on to the king of healthy oils, olive oil. This oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, known for its heart-healthy properties and its ability to enhance the flavor of salads, pastas, and more. This Mediterranean staple is loaded with antioxidants, particularly polyphenols. These compounds help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. For those high-heat cooking adventures, avocado oil is your best friend. Its high smoke point makes it ideal for frying, grilling, and roasting without breaking down and losing its nutritional value. It has a neutral flavor that won't overpower your dishes and can withstand those scorching temperatures. Plus, it's packed with monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health. And last but not least, we have coconut oil, a versatile oil that's gained immense popularity in recent years. Coconut oil is not only used in cooking but also in skincare and hair care routines. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are absorbed quickly and used for energy. This makes it a favorite among those looking for a quick energy boost. MCTs are a great source of fuel for your brain and body. Adding a spoonful to your morning smoothie can help kickstart your day with sustained energy and mental clarity. Chapter 8, Animal-based fats. These fats, often overlooked, can add a depth of flavor and richness to your meals that's hard to beat. First on the list is tallow, rendered beef fat that's making a comeback in kitchens around the world. Tallow was a traditional cooking fat for centuries, prized for its high smoke point, neutral flavor, and nutrient density. And let's not forget about duck fat, the liquid gold that's left over after cooking duck. Duck fat has a rich, savory flavor that adds an incredible depth to roasted vegetables, potatoes, and even popcorn. Chapter 10, Avocados. While technically not completely zero-carb, avocados are so low in carbs, about 2 grams of net carbs per half avocado, that they're practically honorary members of the zero-carb club. Avocados are completely sugar-free and loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, the same type of fat found in olive oil. They're also a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamins C, E, and K. You can add them to smoothies, spread them on toast, low-carb toast of course, or use them as a base for dips and sauces. And let's not forget about everyone's favorite avocado creation, guacamole. Chapter 10, Very low-carb foods with no sugar. These are your secret weapons for adding variety and excitement to your low-carb, sugar-free lifestyle without derailing your progress. By incorporating these foods into your daily meals, you can enjoy delicious and satisfying dishes while staying on track with your health goals. First up, we have cheese, the ultimate comfort food. Cheese is not only rich in flavor but also packed with essential nutrients like calcium and protein. Most cheeses are naturally very low in carbs and completely sugar-free. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a low-carb diet. From sharp cheddar to nutty Parmesan, each type of cheese offers a unique taste experience. Creamy brie to tangy goat cheese, the variety is endless. There's a cheese out there for every palate, making it easy to find one that suits your taste. Next, let's talk about leafy greens, the foundation of any healthy diet. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are nutrient-dense and incredibly versatile. Lettuce in particular is about as close to zero carb as you can get, making it a perfect base for salads and wraps. Now let's move on to some non-starchy vegetables that are so low in carbs they barely count. Zucchini and cucumbers are great for adding crunch and freshness to your meals. Bell peppers and broccoli are not only low in carbs but also high in vitamins and antioxidants. Cauliflower is another excellent choice, offering a versatile base for many dishes. These versatile veggies can be roasted, steamed, mashed, or even riced for a low-carb alternative to rice or potatoes. They can be used in a variety of recipes, from side dishes to main courses, ensuring you never get bored with your low-carb diet. And there you have it, a complete guide to foods with zero carbs and zero sugar, along with a few very low-carb options to keep things interesting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on healthy eating and low-carb living. Thanks for watching.